Good morning, fam. Welcome to another Life of Jordi episode. It's episode 7. Me and the homies are going to the beach. And yeah, they're here to pick me up right now. Yeah, this is about to be super fun. Best episode ever, promise you. Yeah, so before we do anything, we have to go to Walmart and meet up with the whole squad. What up, homie? Let's go, baby. Getting ready? This is the setup. This is what I'm gonna be riding in.
Energy drinks so that I can survive.
This is about to be so lit.
I'm probably not gonna even need that, but I brought it.
Yeah, I don't. This is like the crappy one too, bro.
I brought a first aid kit too, so if anyone just like dies,
oh my God,
then
you brought
like,
your first aid.
Yeah, so we're chilling. Beach mode. Stay safe. Stay safe. Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. We made it to Wilmington. This is it, man. We're at the yacht club.
Okay.
Okay.
Straight back, left dock.
Jake's flying the drone right now. You guys probably already saw some drone shots of that, but yeah, this is it. That'll be super fun, bro. We have way too much stuff.
Yeah.
Y'all want to just like stay the night?
I think that would be a perfect idea.
24-hour challenge. Stay the night on an abandoned island challenge, maybe?
Yeah. That's Jake. I think he wants to do it.
Jake, you trying to stay on this island like for 24 hours?
I don't know. Yeah, we have all this stuff. Like, mine as well. I mean, I'm feeling it.
Why not? All right, yeah, we need like a tent. We already got a table to do stuff, so.
We're staying the night now?
Yeah. You want to stay the night?
And all tomorrow. Why not?
24 hours, bro.
Okay, why not?
All right, let's go.
Fellas, there's a bunch of shotgun shells and stuff on the ground. Hold on. Super cool. Yeah, that doesn't look like we can get through that way. Yep, that's definitely a knot. That looks like a knot. Your mom's the lake. Stupid ants.
Oh, shit, it's fire.
Yep. Oh, I just stepped on them. Collin, shut up.
Ben's dad just brought the tent. About to link that boy up. Boom. All right, bet. We got a grill for food. Got everything set up, yo.
I'm caught in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you.
1 hour in, so.
Ding!
Maybe that's the phone.
That's so pale.
Did you get that?
It's so pale.
Did you get it?
My, yes.
It is 1:44.
2 hours and 45 minutes in.
We just learned that we're gonna have a supply drop coming in, so we're not sitting here on an island alone with nothing for 24 hours. We're gonna have more supplies, bring in more firewood. But yeah, it's a beautiful view. There's just nothing. It's just
Very quiet. There's nothing. No civilization.
there's just no civilization anywhere at all. I didn't realize how long 24 hours was. 24 hours is a long time, and we're already bored. And it's like 3 hours in.
I'm just chilling.
I'm chilling right now.
I knew this was gonna happen. I knew we were gonna board within like an hour.
So, but yeah, the counter is gonna be right around here.
No way. Hell a mod, bro.
Full, bro. What? It was just chilling in the water, like all rainbowy.
Am I holding this the right way?
Yeah.
No, that's salt water. That ain't juice, bruh. That saltwater juice is my favorite.
Poopy, bro.
Have you shat yet? No.
Oh, I can't.
Too wet.
I know. Leave me alone. No, people are not seeing my burnt ass crusty neck.
Yeah, so we're gonna move the camp. We kind of set it up in like a really bad place, but we found a better spot. In there, like in the gravel part, it's like super hot and it's super gross. And we're trying to save ourselves from dying. Stupid.
I didn't mean to.
You're actually a.
I didn't mean to.
Why is it hot as over here?
Yeah, so that's a spider.
It's right in our way, and we don't like it.
Like, to put it as simple as possible, we're gonna catch that on fire.
Someone to get...
We're about to kill this. Well, there's bugs everywhere, Matt.
There's bugs, but there's not as many, and it's like 20 degrees cooler.
We can't move until we get it out. Because people are just gonna keep running through. Oh,
Hurry up, Collin, it's moving!
quick! We basically can't move in here until we get that shit done.
I ain't missing it.
Come on. You got it.
Oh, we killing this thing.
Oh my god! Oh! Got in my eye!
Oh, it's in my eyes. Oh.
What?
I can't see.
What?
Oh my god, bro, they got in my eye.
What happened?
Oh,
I just caught the spider on fire.
yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Bring the bug to me, nigga.
Holy crap, bro. Where's the web?
There's no web.
Gone, it burned up.
burned it.
Tent there, and then one tent over there. And then Jackson. Totally wasn't my idea or anything. Everything's set up. We got the grill, the whole thing. So basically now we're just gonna hang out. It's 2:47 right now. We're making food, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're making food. Woo.
Hot dogs.
See that heat right there? Okay. It's about like, what is it, Lance? 3 o'clock? It's like lunchtime. We don't even have any buns, do we?
We're using the hamburger buns.
It's exactly 3 o'clock right now.
3 o'clock, baby. Bing.
Oh, fuck.
We have to do that countdown. Boom.
20 hours.
20 hours left.
20 hours left.
There's no way.
Food is done.
Why, Jackson? Gotta fold it up like this to make it like semi hot
All
dog.
right.
And then you just gotta.
Let me get the angle. Let me get the angle.
Mmm.
Oh, yes. That is mine.
Oh yeah.
You're going to Cali. You're going to Cali. I might go to Cali.
I might have to go to PCH, bro.
I'm telling you.
Wait for that video. That video's gonna happen.
Y'all can.
This guy doesn't even know what PCH is.
Pacific Coast Highway.
Why are you going to a highway?
PCH. It's the one you see on the commercials.
We got a supply drop. Supply drop. We're going to get a supply drop. Okay.
We're taking the
We're going to get a supply drop. Yeah, okay. Shut up, Collin. Collin.
I need sunscreen as well. See how burnt I am?
Oh my god. Look at, bro. Oh, that redness. Even though I'm colorblind, I can still see it.
Burger time. Time for the burgers. Let me see. Woo! The sun is setting, as you can see.
Yeah, over there.
Jackson's
Over there.
thing.
Yeah, Ben.
No, not yet. Let's go.
Oh, what the? Got 4 hours left. We got 4 hours left. We just woke up and there's crabs everywhere, bruh.
There's one on the towel too.
There's crabs everywhere. We got crabs, bruh. We can do this.
Jordi. Almost there.
Heat up first.
Almost there.
The grill needs to heat up.
Almost there. Give me. Almost there.
Where's the butter?
Almost there.
What'd you do? Where's the...
Almost there.
What?
Oh my God, it's the Navy, bruh. The Navy.
The Navy.
The Navy, bruh.
Alright, so we're eating breakfast and then we're gonna clean all this shit up. We got like 3.5 hours to do whatever we want. But we're clean all this up, pack everything, like get all our shit together, and then we go back to Ben's grandparents' house. We all shower, we all go somewhere for lunch and have a good time.
Yep.
We're all hungry, so.
Yeah, for real. I've been hungry since 9 a.m. yesterday, so.
This one's for the bugs.
The bugs.
This one's for me.
Alright.
This one is for Collin, which is a bug.
That's for Craig's the bug.
I'm the bug.
The bug.
It's 9:15, so we got an hour and 45 minutes left. We're gonna clean all this shit up, and then we're gonna go on the beach and play some games and wait for till 11. Then we're gonna dip, go shower, eat, and then sleep for 2 hours, and then leave because we're all hungry and tired. So yeah.
You said the same thing 2 hours ago.
Yeah, the plan hasn't changed.
I am so sunburnt. My shoulders are red. I have bumps all over me because of the sun. But at least it's actually kind of beautiful out here with the light and everything and the trees. I love it. This idea, we're like, oh, we should just stay on the island for the whole 24 hours. It'd be awesome. Did it, and it was super dope. Yeah, I think we're cleaning up right now. We're about to head home, finish up the island. I think we have 1 hour left, so.
We're getting ready to leave. Just moving everything to the island, like the actual shore. We are all ready to be gone. How do you feel, Jordi?
It was crazy, bro. Like this is one of the weirdest ideas ever. We actually did it. It's nuts. But yeah, I'm just ready to go home and like take a cold shower and get rid of the sunburn, dude.
All right, it is 10:10. Gotta lift this cooler.
This is awkward.
We're almost off the island.
It's 10:57. We got 2 minutes left.
We did 24 hours on this freaking abandoned island. He's coming, boys. We're done.
Guys,
We made it.
3, 2,
24
1.
hours.
10:59. We did it, baby.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Shout out mom for letting me come on this trip.
Shout out, mom.
Shout out, mom.
Shout out, my mom.
Shout out Ben's grandpa.
Shout out Ben's grandpa. All right, he's coming. Right there. Right there.
Shout out for my dad's job for giving me the money to pay for this trip to buy some Cheez-Its so I wouldn't die.